We want to allow developers to access this technology and build their use cases rapidly. We are also providing an SDK along with the starter kit so that the developers can access this technology as well as infrastructure without reinventing the wheel. The Singtel Starter Kit consists of a dual mode module that supports both Cat-M1 and NB-IoT technology. It also consists of an Arduino microcontroller which developers can start programming. The starter kit also has an onboard temperature humidity sensor, and it also has a variety of input-output pins. Developers can plug in their own sensors and start programming also. The entire starter kit is powered by a battery. It also has a SIM card slot below. The SIM card will support both NB-IoT and Cat-M1. Singtel will offer the starter kit for free along with the connectivity and the platform for 6 months. If you are interested to get one of the starter kits, please do register with us. Thank you.